Hey there, Roblox enthusiasts. If you're diving into the world of Roblox in 2025, you know that keeping track of your Robux, the virtual currency that powers all the fun, is super important. Whether you're saving up for that next epic item or just curious about your balance, I'll walk you through the simplest way to check your Roblox credit step by step. This guide is tailored for the latest updates in 2025, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. Open the Roblox app on your device or head to the Roblox website on your computer. If you don't have the app, download it from your app store, it's free and quick. Once you're in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner. That's your gateway to all your account details. Next, click on the profile icon to access your user menu. Here, you'll see a new Wallet, or Robux Hub, section, which Roblox rolled out in 2025 to make things even easier. Select that, and voila! Your current Robux balance will be displayed front and center. It's that straightforward, no hidden menus or complicated paths. But wait, what if you're on a mobile device? The process is almost identical. In the Roblox app, tap your profile picture, then scroll down to the Balance option. Roblox has made this super user-friendly with big, clear numbers and even a history of your recent transactions. Pro tip: if you have any gift cards or purchases pending, they might not show up immediately, so give it a minute or check back later. One common issue is forgetting your login details. Don't worry, Roblox has improved its security with easy password recovery options. Always use a secure connection to protect your account. And if you're a parent managing a child's account, remember you can link it to your own for oversight. There you have it, folks. Checking your Roblox credit in 2025 is quicker than ever, putting you in control of your gaming budget. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more Roblox tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.